Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have another look at a little charm or jewelry piece I found on Aliexpress this time. It is an alligator head, which is inspired by Thomas Sabo, I think, which is a German designer. Yeah, and the original one comes in and around 400 bucks. This one was like 10, and so I was really excited and thought, well, I might give it a try. And here it is. And as you can see, it's the head. We got nice detail. I think you should be able to open the mouse somehow. Can't figure that out. There's like some inside. Oh, okay. I guess you can just push it down in the back. Yep. Okay, and then you can open that. That's pretty interesting to see as well. As you can see here as well, the teeth are pretty big. Got nice green eyes and stuff going on. Nice detail on the headpiece, black stones and really nice green eyes. And yeah, definitely a really well made piece, I think, which is pretty exciting to see. Liking the details, everything is clean, nothing sharp. Even underneath, there's like the whole pattern, which is awesome to see. I do like the teeth, they look really realistic, to be honest, especially for 10 bucks. I think this is way more than I expected. I would say let me get my necklace and throw that on there so get an idea what that looks like when it's actually in use. So here's my necklace, remove all this, and then we throw the alligator on there. And as you can see, these are like the original Thomas Sabo charms. Can barely tell the difference. It's really well made. So let's throw that on here and then let's check it out. So this is kind of what it will look like. Clean fit. Most of the time you will see the head from the front. On the side it looks cool too, but this is probably like your average view on it. Especially when you like are outside, people will see this most of the time. The side piece is pretty nice looking as well though. And yeah, I guess that's basically what this is. And I'm more than satisfied. And if that helped, check it out yourself. And I will see you around in the next video.